I was thinking about taking this particular trade, but I don't really like taking it super right off the open, especially off the bounce. I could have took it here. I wasn't watching, and then they had another opportunity on this candle too. Um, I was too slow to react, and now it's a little bit too late. I was actually looking for the bounce off the line here, and it didn't really do that. So now it's just kind of dropping, not in my favor. I think there might be a bounce here though, so I'm going to be watching for it. Well, I guess not. Well, we'll find out. Right now, there's a ton of red volume coming in, so just staying patient. I really wouldn't be that interested in the bounce for the up until I see a break and consolidate above this moving average. So there might be another opportunity for a put here if it breaks below. Defined stop loss would be above the resistance here. I got to see a ton of red volume to come in before I decide that I want to do that. So maybe it does a touch off the SMA for a bounce for below. So that's what I'm watching for. Touch off this resistance here. Okay, close. So now we're looking for red volume to come in for the downside. No, as it looks like it's forming a flag here for the upside. So, and also we're getting more and more green volume every time. So I'm gonna change the bias towards the upside. All right, got in. Or well, try to get in. Okay, filled. Target's gonna be, not sure yet. I'm just gonna put this here and drag it up just to see if I can um, check it out. Almost there. Maybe one more push. All right, so filled right there. Super small trade. The reason I was getting out is because I saw that it was kind of at the level here. So normally it can bounce here, and the momentum here really wasn't enough. I'm starting to see the red volume come in, so that's why I decided to get out of the trade. I may consider getting back in if it consolidates here and then it kind of breaks up above. But as it stands right now, I think it has possibility to go down. So I just decided to get out of the trade just to make sure I take the profits there. Super small trade though. So the reason I'm looking at this is because it is at a previous resistance support, flagging right here. It needs a close, hold above, and then the next candle we're looking for the pop up if it does. But it might get rejected like it did right now. So I'm still watching it just because it's at the level. Nope, it just seems like it's going to bounce around this level for a bit. But we'll see. We'll see if it goes and pops up above. Okay, I'll go ahead in. Part of it's because I'm seeing the green volume here. So I'll just set the level as it stands. See up here, quick scalp up there. So see if we can't get to that level here. I'm going to move it down just a tad bit. 214, filled, done. Okay, so quick trade, done. A little breakout to previous resistance, easy trade. It can still continue to rally, but that's the trade that I was looking for. Yeah, I don't really see anything else right now, so I think I'm going to call the day done trading, and we'll kind of go over a quick recap then. All right, so just to recap some of the trades that I took today, I ended up getting in around this area, and the reason I got in was because one, it was consolidating at this level for a little bit of time, and this is kind of what I was looking at here, and then I started seeing some green volume come in, so I bought into it. The trade was super small just because I thought it could bounce here, and even when it did pop up, the red volume was constantly taking it down, so I just took it off right at the previous level here. Now, as you can see, it rallied up anyways, but there's no way for me to know that, right? It ended up holding up above. What I could do as another strategy for the next time is maybe buy a couple more contracts and just kind of hold it there, and then take one off at the top and put the other one at break even, so that if it does continue to go up, I'll be part of the ride. But if it doesn't, then at least I'm cleared for it. But that's the synopsis of the first trade. And then the second trade, as you guys just saw, was it was consolidating within this range on here. I was actually considering for the downside here when it was here, because it was flagging. I made a one candle here to flag potentially for the downside. Completely rejected, got up here, flagged here. I was just watching to see if it broke above. As soon as I saw the volume come in here, all the green here, I bought in a little bit, and then it kind of just followed through anyways, right? So now you can see it breaking all the way above, and I got out a little bit earlier because I thought it would could bounce there, and it actually did, but it continued to rally anyways. So maybe for future strategies, we'll just kind of hold. We'll buy a couple more contracts, but for the time being, since my account is not super big, I like just taking one or two contracts just to make sure that everything's executing the way that it should be. But yeah, that's just going to be the trade recap. In the bottom corner, you might have saw a couple times that there was some alerts from my Webull. Webull is what I use for swing trading. You can use the Webull and get some free stocks if you sign up through the link, so consider that. And then yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Please leave a comment below or a like on the video to let me know if you like this new particular format better. It's a little bit more time intensive to put together the videos, and also I'm not sure if I'm a super big fan of talking while I trade. I'd like to be pretty focused while I'm doing it, but I guess if I practice it more, it'll be a little bit better. And also I can explain my thought process, so it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to kind of see what I'm thinking about. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.